Hi, I'm Reuben, and today we are going to be unboxing together the Prove It Challenge from Shaklee. Okay, and right here it says get ready to prove it. So we are going to cut this open, tape right here. And this is the first time I'm opening it. Kind of. First time I'm opening it. So the first thing we see is, this first thing is the Prove It Challenge. The first thing it says is, in 30 days I will feel blank. So, whatever you want to feel after this Prove It Challenge, you write. I have a pencil, and this is going to be my mom's problem. This is going to be my mom's. So whatever she wants to write, she can write. She's holding the camera right now, so she can't do it right now, but she'll do it soon. Okay, so the next thing is the next thing we get is this. It says, welcome to the Prove It Challenge. In just 30 days, you will feel healthier, more energized, more focused, and ready to take on anything life throws your way. So first, you join our community. Second, ready, set, cleanse. So you take your vitamins for the thing. And 3, a strip and a shake a day. So you just take a little strip of these vitamins right here, from here, and you take one kind of milkshake, I guess. Okay? And that's what my mom's gonna do. So first, we get one of the shakes. 1 second. So we have the shake. Now they make them in plant protein, sugar, and stevia. They only make 2 flavors in stevia. I mean sugar, and they used to make more, but that doesn't matter. So the first one we have is a vanilla, I think. Yes, vanilla. It says it right there. From Shaklee, and it's the shake, and it's plant protein. Okay? First thing. The second thing we have is, 1 second. Second thing we have is another shake. This is also plant protein by Shaklee again, and this one's chocolate, right there. Also, both of these are organic. They have 15 servings, and I think these are GMO free. It's soy free, dairy free, gluten free, non-GMO, yeah. Cholesterol free, 0 added sugar, and 6 grams of fiber per serving, I think. So we have both of these so far. That's our collection. Next is we have the Plus Cleanse. I have no clue what this is at all. The 7-day healthy cleanse improves focus, energy, enhances mood and sleep quality, supports detox and healthy digestion. I'm sorry, I can't say anything right. Jump starts weight loss and reduces cravings. Feel better in 1 week, guaranteed. Okay? So, I still have no clue what this is, but this is what they look like. I think it's, yeah. So, this one, with the one white pill, and these, I think the circle ones are alfalfa, right? The circle ones are alfalfa. I have no clue what this one and this one are. And you take that in the morning. But in the night, you take this one. It's just alpha, and those are the 2 ones. Are those also alfalfa?
No, I don't think so.
Whatever. Either way, so you have 7 of those, I think. Yeah, you have 7 of those. You have
Tell them
little-
about what we eat that week that we're having the healthy cleanse.
Oh. So the first week when you're going to have these. Oh. I think I know what this is now. Okay, so it's. Yeah, I actually have no clue. Never mind. So the first week when my mom's going to be taking these is when she's only allowed to have like vegetables and fruits and nothing else. And she has to have only that? Yeah, only
Some
that.
olive oil,
She's allowed
some
to have
seasoning.
stuff like that, but she's not allowed to have very much, which is going to be hard because, So either way, the next thing we have is a vitalizer for women, okay? This is Vita Lee B plus C complex, Caroteno E omega, Optiflora probiotic. Just so you know, I probably read all of these wrong, so here we are. So, and it looks like, oh, this is what I was showing you earlier. Remember that little packet that I was showing you on this? That little packet? Those are these. You just take one of these, you tear it off, and see, Vitalizer Women, you just tear one off and then you pop them out and eat them or drink them, I guess. And you have a lot of these, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 things of 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. So you have 24 packets of these. Wait, am I right? Mom, am I right?
Should have 30,
30?
but you were right. Your math.
Oh wait, no, we have 5. I forgot about this one. Sorry. 5 times 6 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So yeah, you actually have 30 packets. So let's add that to our collection.
And that's part of phase 2, strip and shake.
So on phase 2, that's a 3-week thing where you only have, well, all you do is you take the vitamins, you take 1 pack of these a day, and all you do for that, wait, I think you also take 1 pack of these for everything. For every single, even the cleanse, I think, too. And for it, so phase 2 you have 1 shake a day and you just eat the food, and you just eat food that you would normally eat. You try to make it healthier, but if you don't, then that's your fault. But you want to try to make it healthier, and that's all for that. And then we have the sheet that you don't need to see because it's boring and stupid, and this thingy. And cardboard, the best part about it, see? Ow, my finger, that hurt. Either way, so this is what you get in a cleanse package. You get, if you're a man, you would get Vitalizer, this for men's, I guess, or golden Vitalizer Gold. You get to pick any 2 shakes you want, sugar, plant protein, or stevia, 2 shakes, and you get one of these. That's what you get, and you have to buy your own veggies and fruits for the first week. Other than that, this is what you get. Not me. You don't get me, sadly. Okay, bye.
So join a team and start feeling better today.
Yes, join the team and start feeling better today. It'll help. It should help you. Bye.